I need to tell you guys a little something here. My friends over at Patiowell sent me this big old thing right here. It is 31 gallons. It is a storage tote that, look at what we used it for. Well, it's just holding some balls, bags for the cornhole boards, some bug spray, a frisbee. It usually has more in it. We use it as like a toy box for Charlie as well. And it is used, I guess, technically really for anything for these purposes, or if you have a pool. I know some of you guys may have a pool in your backyard and you're like, man, I have all these cool pool toys. Where do I put them? Bam, in that sucker right there. Super easy to put together. There's not a single screw on the thing. You literally just snap it all together. It's super quick and easy. I should have filmed that, but I was too excited. I pulled it out real quick and threw it all together and then realized, oh, whoops. But it is really cool. I really like it. It is super lightweight. Like, you can pick it up one-handed if you want. I mean, like you see, they're just all snapped in right here. I could really, literally just pop these right out. There's see these little holders right here? It all just clicks in together, holds itself, super easy directions, super simple. I will leave the link to that in the description along with anything else on their website. They're running sales this time of year just because, well, Christmas is coming, the holidays are here. They got all sorts of fun things going on.